And this is going to be our first video in the pond fishing series. Today we're just going to be going over how to pond fish, what's the most effective ways, what baits are we going to use, and at the end please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Talk about weightless worms. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to cast these worms out and we're going to let it sink to the bottom and we're going to pull it back a little.
Next, we're going to talk about topwaters. This is a good bait year-round, all day, every single hour that you be here. You can catch one. Right now it's fall, so I'm fishing a wake bait. I'm just fishing that around isolated cover, like right over here. If you can see, there's bushes, there's trees. I'm fishing it around there. Nice thing to do is to always pack your stuff in a bag so you can carry it around.
Especially a book bag.
Especially a book bag. I wouldn't recommend tackle boxes, but definitely these book bags, they can really help. You don't need to get anything special.
Pull out the thing I have in there.
There's a lot of things in here, Trick.
Not the bait, the other thing. So you can show them what to put in there, like the plastic thing.
Oh, okay.
It's a good.
What we like to put in these bags are things like we like to put, Trey? Another thing we like to put in here is this. You can really pack your stuff in here and it'll stay put. You can keep it organized, and that's another real plus when you're fishing. With this little rig, he liked it a lot, let me tell you that much.
Oh my god. Good job, Tom. Good job. America believes.